And remember, ladies and gentlemen, the World Wrestling Federation returns to the Schuylkill Haven Rec Center Saturday night, July the 27th. Like us on Facebook, NEWF Wrestling for all the details. Our show, Fireworks Free-For-All, continues with one-on-one competition scheduled for one fall.
You want a beard? You want a beard? You can't have a beard, boy. You can't.
Introducing first, making his way to the ring, get away from Roots, Pennsylvania.
You know where it's big?
Weighing 223 pounds.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chio Frost here, and you're witnessing Sean Silence, the former NEWF Heavyweight Champion, taking on Eric Pinhat. These two big men circling around the ring, collar elbow tie-up. Pinhat with the wrist lock, cinching it in on Silence there. Gives a cheek kick right to the gut, turns around to a hammerlock. Cinching it in there. Pinhat into a side headlock there. Silence trying to get out of it. He's cinching it in. Referee Matt Durline asked him if he gives up. Technically not. He's giving him a couple cheap shots. Shoots him against the rope. Comes up. Shoulder tackle. Pinhat hits the ropes.
Man, oh man, I'm joining you here, Chio.
Big hip toss by Silence. Pinhat just exits the ring there trying to get a breather.
He wants no part of the former NEWF Heavyweight Champion. Of course, that championship now held by Punisher Van Slyke.
Yeah, that was a hell of a battle they had at the previous NEWF. It was like,
oh, look out!
Hold on.
Oh my God, I'm following the action, Chio. I'm sorry, I gotta follow this. Sean Silence going after Eric Pinhat. He's like, get over here. Action continues, here goes for the cover, hooks the leg! Hellacious fist to the head, but Pinhat now, dirty player right here, rakes the eyes. Sorry, Chio, here you go.
It's quite all right. I'm new at this for NEWF, though, that is, but I had the commentary elsewhere in other places. But
I took the camera on the run.
Yeah, I see you were on the fly, and like I'm here wearing my sandals. I wasn't about to take off with you.
I don't blame you. Oh, what a clothesline from Pinhat! What an upset in the making! But no, the former champion able to kick out.
Only a 2 count from Durline. He has silence on the ropes. He's kneeling on. He's just in the count there. He has a 5 count to break it.
He used every bit of it. That yes. four and a half, it looked like.
From day one here, since Pinhat came into NEWF, he seems like he's not one to be a fan favorite. He's not one to obey by the rules or anything.
I mean, yeah, that would be too easy, you know, come on. But right here, like him or hate him, it's gotten him the advantage in this match. What a flying back elbow to the former champ. He goes for the cover.
From a veteran's point of view here, one mistake he just did right there is not hooking the leg. It's one of the most important things. You got to make sure you hook these guys' legs, otherwise you're not going to get the pin.
Very true, Gio. Slings him in the corner, goes for the clothesline, reverse from silence. Beautiful German release.
Yeah, that miss to the clothesline was a lot of Pinhat's miss because Silence was a little short there, and Pinhat came high with that clothesline there, so he was able to just miss it.
Silence, as he builds momentum, blatant low blow right in front of the senior official's eyes.
Oh, that's being called for a disqualification. They just rang the bell.
Look at Pinhat, come on. Despicable.
Match is over. Durline already called for the bell for the low blow.
Just slams him right on the back of his head.
Oh, he's not done. He's just going to punish him now.
It's ridiculous.
The former champ is down.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner, as a result of a disqualification, Sean Silence.
Well, I'm sure that's not the way that Silence wants to win, and he doesn't look like the winner right now, because if anybody's ever been hitting the family jewels, you know that's no good. Ain't nobody got time for that. But I'm David Adams, this is Chio Frost. Much more of Fireworks Free-For-All coming at you here in the Skook. Put some ice on them nets.